Okay, so now we have covered all the various types of operators. So first one, what we have covered, arithmetic operators we have covered, and we have covered assignment operators we have covered, and then we have covered comparison operators also, and then we have seen logical operators also. So if you look at the last one, bitwise operators, right? So we have already covered this in the previous session, right? So when you talk about ampersand and then pipe symbol, if you see the second place, so there we have covered bitwise and bitwise or. So that means we have covered all the operators which we have discussed in the initial operators session. Okay. So any questions so far on the operators?
No, sir.
Okay, so one last topic which is on the operators. For example, what will happen whenever somebody asks you to do something? Let us say, just write something like 3 plus 5, 3 plus 5. Just write there 3 plus 5 star 6. Okay, so now if you see what is the outcome you are going to get,
33, sir.
how did you identify that?
According to Bodmer's rule,
What is Bodmer's rule? Can you write Bodmer's?
yes, sir.
Okay, bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So the first letter B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So this is in mathematics. So mathematics is base for any programming language. The same kind of rules apply in the programming languages also. Can you go to your editor, the IntelliJ editor, and just write a simple program? We call this as precedence. Okay, example of precedence. What do you mean by precedence? Ex precedence. Example precedence. Precedence. What does it means? Which has to come first? That is what precedence means. Can you write a basic the main method? What I want you to do is, I want you to write a uh, statement. For example, int res space res is equal to whatever the example we have taken, the same thing. Can you write it here? We have written something like 3 star 5 or whatever, right? What are the numbers? Okay, so at the end give a semicolon, and can you make it as we are going to see two examples. So make it as result 1, res1. Second one, you just keep a bracket in front of 3 and after 5. Okay, int res2, int res2 is equal to bracket start 3 plus 5, outside of that star 6. Now if you close that, see first one, what is the outcome? Can you just write the outcome for the first one at the comment section? There only you just write in the comments what is the output. So there, can you just elaborate it? First 3 plus 5 star 6, that is 30. 5 star 6, right? 3 plus 30, that is how it is getting calculated. So if you look at the second one here, 3 plus 5, 8 star 6, that is equal to how much? 48. Now print both the statements, system.out.println. Okay, now run both the statements and see the outcome. So you'll be able to see the proper outcome. Did you run? So 33 and 48. So the same rule, whatever you have told, will apply here also. So you need to remember what is that logic, which is the highest precedence. Okay. What do you mean by highest precedence? Which one has to be triggered first? So just write these notes in your notepad so that you will understand it better. Okay. The first and foremost, the highest to lowest priority. I am giving you the precedence highest to lowest, highest to lowest, highest to lowest. First one is parenthesis. First one is parenthesis. Parenthesis. Parenthesis is shift 9. Shift 9 symbol. Okay. Parenthesis. Whatever you have written, that is curly bracket earlier. Okay. So this is called parenthesis. After that, you are going to have star, that is multiplication. Then forward slash, that is division. And then percentile, that is modulus. Okay. And then followed by plus, minus. And then it will follow the comparison operators: greater than, comma, less than, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, less than or equal to. And then next followed by equality: double equal to, not equal to, exclamation equal to. Followed by logical and, logical and, two ampersand symbols. Logical or. Last one is assignment operator, that is equal to symbol. Okay. Now, based on this, I am going to give you one example. You're going to write the same program. Okay. So can you just go back to the program and let me know what is going to happen? Okay. Here, the first one, you comment that. You can completely comment that so that it will be useful for you to recall the example at a later point of time. So declare one more time result 1, int res 1 is equal to 9 minus 4, 9 minus 4 plus 5. Okay. And without executing, you need to tell me the answer. Just second, write the second one also. Just keep that in the bracket.
Which one should I keep in brackets, sir? 9 minus 4 or 4 plus 5?
Very good. Result 2 is equal to 9 minus, within the brackets, 4 plus 5. Anything is fine, but I'm just trying to understand whatever works for you. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
what would be the outcome, and how did you arrive at the first statement result? Can you just look at the rules and tell me what is going to be operated first?
Plus, sir, here in result 1. Addition will
Mm-hmm.
be happen first.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 plus 4 is 9 and 9 minus 9 is 0.
Mm.
And
Are you
here,
sure? Are
yes,
you
sir.
sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Here bracket will happen first, sir. 4 plus 5
Mm.
is 9. 9 minus 9, 0 again.
Mm. Okay. So let's not go with the zeros. Just increase the number to some number, no? Otherwise, you may get confused, right?
Okay, sir. Should
Uh,
I
just
change
just
9 value to some
change,
other value?
yeah, 9 value to, or else decrease the 4 and 5 values to some other value, no? 2 and 3, 4 to 2, 4, 4 to 2, both the places. Yeah,
In
both the
result 1
places.
also, sir.
Yes, yes. So that you will not have any confusion. Okay. Okay. So now, you are saying some output, right? Just write your output, whatever the output you are calling. without executing, just write your output. So what did you say? How did you arrive at 4 for the first one? Second one is pretty simple, right?
Yes, sir.
Second one, you're 100% right. First one, how did you arrive? 4.
Addition will happen first, right, sir? According to the precedence.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
2 plus 3 is 5. Then 9 minus 4. 9 minus 5 is 4.
Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Do that.
Should I run that, sir?
Yes, run. You tell me what is wrong there.
It is 10. Okay, first here subtraction happens, sir. In the first one.
Okay. No. So you need to see what is the addition part. 9 and 3 both are positive, right? 9 plus 3, how
Yeah,
much? 12. 12.
12.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, whatever is addition, that has to be completed. 9 plus 3, 12 minus 2. You can write it if you want. Okay. So how it will arrive? 9 plus 3 first. 9 plus 3. Just remove the 4 there. Otherwise, you will get confused. 9 plus 3 is equal to, yeah, that is how it will get calculated. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Addition happened first and then subtraction. Even though you are aware of everything, but still we are not able to calculate it properly. Did you understand the meaning of this precedence, how it is getting calculated?
Yes, sir.
So this is where sometimes the developer might do a mistake. That's the reason in the real time calculations there might be defects which may come into the system. What do you mean by defects? For example, when you're trying to withdraw the money in the ATMs, right? What will happen? You might be entering some amount. For example, you're trying to withdraw 1,000 rupees from an account where there was some mistake in the code. So your account balance is 10,000, you are withdrawing 1,000 rupees, and there is some program mistake where even though you have withdrawn 1,000 rupees, your entire account may be zero sometimes. Okay, that might be a program mistake. Okay, I'm not saying that that is happening now. I'm just giving you, if you do a small mistake also, there are a lot of revenue related problems may come in the financial systems. That's the reason testing is very very important whenever you are working with the any kind of applications or products in the software industry. So not only software industry, testing is very very important. While doing your development also, you are going to perform one round of testing. That testing we call it as unit testing. Okay, you'll make sure that the logic is working fine. Any questions?
No, sir.
Are you clear with all the precedence examples?
Yes, sir.
So with this we are good with the operators topic. Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's move on to the next topic. Now we will talk about strings, Java strings. You already know what is a string, right? What do you mean
Se-
by string?
Sequence of characters is called a string.
That means string is used to store some text, correct?
Yes, sir.
You can write that. Strings are used to store text. That means a string variable contains collection of characters. Contains collection of characters. And how are you going to surround them? You are going to surround them by double quotes, correct? We will surround them by double quotes. Okay, let's say you are going to surround the value of your first name. Okay, let's say I'm going to declare one string. Just write string f name. Okay, f name, string f name. F stands for your first name. String f name is equal to, you just write your first name. within the double quotes, Kodama. Okay, Kodama. That is your first name. Close the double quotes, semicolon. This is how you declare the string. Clear? Now
Yes,
we
sir.
wanted to run and show this. Go to your IntelliJ and take an example, first example for strings. Create a new class for strings, strings example. Okay, declare the same here. There are so many activities we can do on strings. We will touch upon couple of things in the basic session. Okay, so what we are going to do is now print. Okay, run the program and you should be able to see your string name Kodama there. See that string, you have to make it as capital letter, S capital letter. Okay, are you clear now?
Yes, sir. Kodama.
You understood, right?
Yes,
S
sir.
is capital letter there. Okay, so now what we are going to do with this? Okay, so when you are writing any string name, for example, I wanted to write my name is so and so. Okay, my name is whatever I pass, from there my name has to be displayed. For example, you just wrote my string f name Kodama, right? So what I want you to do is, I want you to write my first name is Kodama. This is what I wanted to display. To do that, in the system.out.println statement, in the line 4, you just write within the brackets my within the double quotes, my first name is my, yeah, write it, my first name is double quotes and, yeah. So we are going to make use of a plus symbol. That means that we call it as concatenation. Are you clear? Concatenation means you are going to join that plus symbol. Okay. Now run the program and see what is going to happen. See, my first name is Kodama, and when you are writing any statements, right, you have to make use of the English language properly. My will be, first letter will be capital. So you have to make sure that you follow proper syntax for English also. So if at all I change the first name, the F name to Kodama to some other name, RKIT. If I change in the line number 3, RKIT, now what it will display? My first name is RKIT. That is what it is going to display. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is that it is used to join these two? You have used a symbol called plus. Okay. So you can write in the comment section saying that plus concatenation, concatenation, concatenation. That means you are joining two strings. My first name is a string which is in the double quotes, and F name is also a string. Both of them you are joining. So this process we call it as concatenation. Any questions?
No, sir.
Sir, why should I join them? What is the need of joining this? Right? For example, I have asked you to, I will give you two variables in the string. Let's say string f name is equal to RKIT. You can write one more string. string L name is equal to training. Okay, string L name is equal to training. Now I wanted to join F name and L name. How are you going to do? Just comment the fifth line. Comment the fifth line. Okay. I want you to join the first name and last name. How do you do that? System.out.println F name plus L name. That is what you are going to do. Correct? Run the program. Yeah. RKIT training. So you see there is no space between training, correct? RKIT and training, you don't have any space, right? I want some space between the first name and last name. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So same example, if you write it for your name, so first name you write Sriman, last name you write it as Kodama, see what is going to happen. There only you change RKIT as Sriman, last name you change it to Kodama. Now run the program and see what is going to happen. There is no space between both the first name and last name. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So for that, what you have to do is you have to add a space between the first name and last name in the system.out.println statement. So what you have to do is you just go to your system.out.println statement, f name plus, if you give simple space, it is not going to work. Okay. So generally a lot of students, what they'll do, you just give space here and then you'll try to execute, right? That is what you're thinking.
Yes, sir.
You want to try that?
Yes, sir.
Try. It's not going to work. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to add the space there with double quotes, space. No. Yeah. Now after that, you have to concatenate that also, right? That means concatenation means first name you are concatenating with last name with a space. Both the spaces in between you are having plus symbol. Are you clear? Just write plus symbol one more time. Now you run the program. That means you are joining three things. One is F name, L name, and there is a space. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
You can change RKIT there, whatever you have written previously also. Just try and see how it is displaying now. RKIT and then training. Did you understand how we have joined this? Any questions?
No, sir. I understood, sir.
Okay. Now clear? Now I will give you one more scenario. You just, I'll give you two variables. Okay. One, I'm going to give you your name. Okay. So just to take one more example, comment all of these. Comment all of these. So again, we are trying to make use of concatenation only. Okay. String, string name is equal to, you write your name. You write your name, and I'm going to give you one more variable, that is int age is equal to, let's say 18. Okay. Now what I want you to show me is, my name is Sriman and I am so and so years of old, 18 years old. That is what I want you to show. Okay. Can you do that? You can write the statement system.out.println. Just write whatever I am saying. My name is Sriman and I am and I am 18 years old. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I don't want you to make use of the value directly here. Whenever you write the value directly Shriman here, that we call it as hard coding. Okay? Hard coding. Hard coding means you always get the output only Shriman and 18 only. If at all I change the line number 8 and 9 with some other variable names, then it is not going to work. That's the reason you should never hard code the values. Okay. Now write the program.
Sir, should I write, sir?
Yes. You tell me how do you get the output. Okay. So you can explain me and write the program.
Sir, like here I written my first name is plus F name. I will
Yeah.
write here my name is, and then I will use the concatenation operator and give name.
Okay. Yeah.
Then
Go ahead. Go ahead
again,
and write. Yeah. Go ahead and write. We'll see one by one.
then sir, can I give a plus symbol after name, sir?
Yes. That is what we have seen in the space example also, right?
Yeah, yeah, sir.
Very good. Okay. You are getting it very clearly. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Now run the program. You'll be able to see the outcome. So if you change the name, some other name, okay, change the name to Ajay, age 25. Now run the program. It will work. Okay. What is the difference between your line number 10 and line number 11?
Here we have given the values directly, sir. So every time the values will be printed streamer and 18 only.
That is
Here,
called hard coding.
yes, sir.
So here you have used variable names for name and age. Clear? Any
Yes, sir.
questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's take another example. So there is a built-in method in Java. Okay. So that built-in method is cancat is the built-in method in Java. So we are going to make use of that also to add these values. Let's say you have two strings. Take another example. Two strings. Take first name, last name example only. Take the same thing. Okay. So earlier what you have used plus symbol. Instead of that, you can do something else. Okay. That something else is cancat method, which is already a built-in method. So you just write system.out.println, system.out.println. So you just write f name, and then what you're going to do is a dot con cancat. See the first one. Take that. Uh, L name. Just write L name within that. Run the program and see what is going to happen. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If at all you have something else, you have to have a space. How are you going to deal with this? If at all you have a integer number, okay, how are you going to deal with this? So I want you to explore those examples and come back. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
So what I want, will you be able to add a integer and a string? Will you be able to show the space here. So these things you just explore and come back with your with your answers in the next session. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So I'll give you one more variable. Just take one more variable, city, string city. Third one, string city is equal to, you just write your city. Yeah. And concatenate this also. At the end, after concat length dot, again, you are going to concatenate the other one within the bracket. Now run the program and see. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I'll leave those 2 points to you. I wanted to see whether you will be able to add a space here using this method. And another one is, will you be able to add the concat method using the string and int? Okay. Just to try those and come back with your answers.
Yes, sir. A
Let's move on.
small doubt, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, here we have added two concat like dot concat methods, right, sir?
correct.
Is there any limit to how many can we add, or can we add as much as we want, sir?
As many as you can.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. As many as you can add it. Okay. So next one, you just take one example, one string, you take one string, one string, comment all of them. Let's say RK Training Hub, RKIT Training Hub, RKIT Training Hub. So if you notice, you have given some spaces also, correct?
Yes, sir.
That means whatever you are giving, everything will be a character for that. So now how many characters are there? That will be the length of this string. Okay. So that means RKIT Training Hub will have RK, two letters and then space 3. Like that, can you calculate and tell me the total number? The length of the string?
18, sir.
18. So you are going to retrieve that value using this program. Okay. So you're going to get the length of this particular string. How are you going to get that? So what you have to do is, you have to use a method called length method. Okay. System.out.println, length, length is the method. Okay. System.out.println, within the double quotes, the length of the string is, within the double quotes, the length of the string is outside. Yeah. Plus, that means concatenating. So what is that you are going to retrieve from that particular string? You are going to get the length. That means what is your string name? Name, name, that is your variable name, dot length, length. Okay. Now run the program. You will see the number 18. It includes your spaces also. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir. Yes, sir. A small question.
Yeah.
In C language, we can write it as length in len in brackets the variable. Can we write it
Hmm.
here also, sir? Like this, like
No,
that?
it won't support. So every language, it has its own syntax, right? So you have to follow the syntax accordingly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
If you want, you can try that out, but it will throw an error because it is not a proper syntax for Java. Okay,
Yes, sir.
for this particular IDE. Okay, so the next one is, what we are going to do is, so you have written this length, right? Now my requirement is, if you see RKIT Training Hub, it has all, some of them are capital letters, some of them are small case letters, right? I want only capital letters. I want that name should be displayed only in capital letters. To do that, what you have to do is, just write enter system.out.println. within the double quotes, I'm just writing a text for your understanding purpose. Okay. So uppercase format. This is for your information only. Okay. You can write whatever the text you want. Then plus you have to take the variable, whatever you are trying to do, dot toUpperCase. There is a method called toUpperCase. If you see, there are two methods, toUpperCase, toLowerCase. First, we'll try with uppercase and then run the program, and you will be able to see RKIT Training Hub, all the letters in the capitals only. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Complete the other one, lowercase. So instead of toUpperCase, lowercase. You just write lowercase. Just remove that. No, no. Just remove the method, complete method. Yeah, correct. Yeah. That way it would be easy. To lowercase.
Sir, here two lower cases
Yeah.
are there. Which one, sir?
Yeah. Take the local one. Local. Both of them will work, but take any one of them. Then anything is fine. Yeah. Run the program. Okay.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you clear?
Yes, sir.
Everything is in the cap, small letters. Okay.